Hello, guys. Today I'm going to talk about Premier League matches which happened today. And as we know, the first match was big match between Newcastle United and Manchester City, which ended in draw, three each. Defending champion Manchester City was 2 goal behind. They start the goal and then they get the lead initially in the fifth minute of the match, but they went 2-1 down, 3-1 down by the end of 54 minutes. So we have a tough game, and Manchester City come back strongly. And we have a draw, 2 goal scored, and then we have a draw in the last 35, I can say 40 odd minutes because we have a 9 minute at a time. Nobody able to score, and we have a draw. So that draw will put Arsenal on top with three wins in 3 matches, and City is on second. But that's the third match of the session, and we have a long long way to go. Point to be noted here that City has avoided defeat in the last 3 games, which they have fallen 2 goals behind. Interesting point, and this as we saw the last time they were 2 goal behind with against West Ham United, and also when they were playing against Aston Villa as well in May in the last season, but that was a part of the game. And this is also we can say that after this is the second time this happened. Third team is the City who joined this when they were 2 goal plus behind Manchester United done in 1997 and Liverpool in 2008. And also for Newcastle United, they have avoided defeat in the first opening 3 games of the Premier League, first time after 2011-12 session. It is also noted that City is undefeated in the last 20 away games. They won 15 and 5 draw. This only happened 6 times. So some records has been uh, achieved today, but as I said, City is making progress. This another Premier League session has started with Bank, and we are going to have some interesting matches as we progress. And we have another game which was Leeds United versus Chelsea, and that ended a heavy defeat to Chelsea as the way they are playing. And this is uh, Leeds United since 2002, around 20 years. There were 8 matches between Leeds and Chelsea, and all won by Chelsea. So Chelsea has lost today, uh, 3-0 score, and Leeds United have won each of their first 2 matches for the first time since 1998-99. So that's some achievement for Leeds United, as we can see. And Chelsea is is still behind, is could not score a goal in the match, which was not expected. As I said, Chelsea is a big team, but last year, as we see, there was a crisis due to Russian war and involvement, and it's all political things going on, which has affected Chelsea's performance, and which we were expected that something might happen. So football is a game. People should not involve politics, and I hope Chelsea will come back, and we will see some good matches at the back end of the season. So this is And also, it is noted that on the in during the 84th minute of the game, red card was shown to the Chelsea's player, which was also a setback as well for the Chelsea, and hope that in the coming matches Chelsea will able to turn around the table and consider to be the back to the top basically. So for this, I would like to say thank you, and I will come back uh, next week for the prediction of for the next games. Until then, bye bye.